What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started, all right? So what to do, my people? We had a good weekend. It's All-Star Weekend. A lot of people are in Indiana right now. A lot of people are not in Indiana. A lot of people are focused on trying to get their credit, their money, and get a bag. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a bag without a CDL. You do not need a CDL to drive box trucks, to van carriers, to all different type of things, all right? So today, I'm going to show you where to go if you are a self-independent box truck driver, owner-operators, if you are any van carriers, any cargo vans, anything like that. I'm going to show you where to go to get the bag, all right? You do not need a CDL to drive trucks to make over $500,000 a year, point blank, period. And even with that being said, you can start your own trucking business. You can hire your own employees and start making money, all right? A lot of people don't understand how easy it is to start driving trucks and start carrier businesses and box truck businesses and things like that. They just don't know where to go to get the loads and get the jobs, all right? So I'm going to show you where to go. I'm going to tell you where to go, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So first of all, there's a lot of people out there driving trucks now. It's a lot of people who are interested in a truck driving game, which is perfectly fine. But a lot of people think that you have to have your CDLs to drive trucks. Some trucks drives you do, but some of them you don't. Box truck drives, van carriers. We got cargo vans, operator vans, carriers. We got box trucks, owner operators. We got a lot of different things that you could be doing, all right? So it's a lot of different ways to go about it. I know y'all be seeing them videos on TikTok when y'all be seeing people like, go here, and I'm gonna show y'all the site where you can make all the money with just a box truck, no CDLs, all right? And the site is called Expedite Load Board. You either gotta pay $50 or $100 to get these jobs, to just get a membership, but it's not much. And with this membership, it will give you over 2K brokers and carriers, 75K loads per month, and 99% happy users, all right? Which means you keep all your money, all right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you where to go to get the bag, all right? Expedite Load Board. You got your own box truck, you got your own cargo van, you got your own anything with no CDL, you've been looking for jobs, I'm gonna show you where to go get the bag, all right? So without further ado, let's check it out. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about ExpediteLoadBoard.com, all right? Designed for Expedite, all right? Instant access to 50,000 plus Expedite loads monthly. Industry trusted, easy to use load board for expedited deliveries with cargo vans, sprinter vans, box trucks, all right? So this is where y'all need to go. You don't have your CDLs, you ready to start getting paid, making these trucks with y'all box trucks, cargo vans, and sprinter vans. This is where you need to go, all right? So basically what you need to go is when you go to the website, it's gonna be this right here. It's gonna basically break it down to you. Expedite cheaper, faster, and smarter, whether you're an independent contractor, your own small expanding company, expediting company, or you run a freight company with many drivers. We've created a solution for you in mind. Simply log into the computer and mobile device for instant access to thousands of Expedite loads near you. Load information and company contact information is displayed in a simple, hassle-free load board that's easy to navigate and understand. All right, so it's easy. All you gotta do is sign up, have your box truck ready, your sprinter van or your cargo van ready, and you're good to go. All right, so simple, straight, and pricing. All right, thousands of expedited loads across North America right in your fingertips. All right, so the basic expediter, access to 2,500 loads monthly for sprinter and cargo vans, dashboard optimized for web talent, tablet or mobile, limited email support, one login. All right, so then you got the Expedite Pro, access to 70,000 loads monthly for Sprinter, cargo vans, and box trucks, dashboard optimized for web, tablet, and mobile, unlimited email customer support. All right, so anybody with a Sprinter truck, Sprinter or cargo vans and box trucks, that's the one you need right here. You're gonna get all the loads. All right, so Expedite load board, instant access, and it just shows you right there. All right, so anybody out there that does not have a CDL, you want to start making $500,000 or more, or a little less a year, but you'll be in the six figures. You have a box truck, a Sprinter van, or a cargo van. Expedite load board is where you need to go to get all your best routes, all your best couriers, all your best leads. All right, so anybody out there that's ready to tap in and get their money to go, and like I said, we're gonna talk about that next. All right, so this is the website you go to. Now let's talk about it. All right, so let's talk about it. Anybody out there with their own box truck, cargo van, or Sprinter van, and you don't even gotta have that. You can literally go rent it out, make you some money, and then go buy your own as time goes. Right? You can go to U-Haul, Enterprise, and rent these things out. You do not have to buy them. So all you gotta do is go on the website, go pay the $100. Once you pay the $100, you're gonna find your area, and find what jobs are available. Once you find a job that's available for you, you're gonna go rent that van, cargo van, or Sprinter van, apply for that job, get the load, make some money. Easy as that. All right, and you want to start your LLC, your EIN number, and get your EIN number just to make it look good, make it better for you, so you can be more professional when you're trying to get these loads for your company, self-contracted and all that. All right, just make it look better, make it look more professional. All right, so anybody out there that's ready to start making some passive income, you tired of working a 9-to-5 job, you ready to put other people in a position to win, you got you a box truck, a cargo van, or a Sprinter van, you ready to go pick up these loads, tap into expediteloadboard.com, pay the $100, and you good to go. All right, so it's time to start making this passive income, start making this real money. I started building our personal and business credit, because if we want to get rich, we got to understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Applied knowledge is the #1 trick to getting successful and creating generational wealth. And a lot of people are not willing to do that. A lot of people are waiting for the next whatever, the easiest way to make some money, and that's how they're going to live their life. And you're not going to get successful like that. You're not going to put yourself or other people in a position to win like that. You got to build, you got to grow, you got to understand, you got to want to learn some more. Easy as that, because everybody wants this bag, everybody wants this money, but everybody's not willing to do what it takes to get this bag. A lot of people are just trying to find, play a scratch off, or play the lottery, or play the parlays, or get these methods and try to make a quick $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, and just learn how to do something, people, because once you learn how to do something, more things will come to you, how to do other things to make money, point blank, period. Just for my people out there that want to crash credit and get CPNs and you still got to learn how to know how to build credit, because you still have to build the credit on that. So you can't buy a pre-built CPN or none of that. So a lot of people need to just understand the magnitude of what's going on and how serious it is, because like I said, you can start this business and get loans that fast, because you got the bank statements and things that you need, because you're actually getting paid and you're putting that money into your business bank account. Now when you go apply for a $250,000 loan, they see you making this money and you're good to go. And that's why I make these videos. I tell you about trade lines, I tell you about AUs, authorized users, I tell you about all these places to get these credit strong and trade lines to build your personal and business credit. But y'all don't do it, and then y'all wonder why and miss out, like, there's cap. Y'all don't do it and then say somebody cap. Y'all act like I'm the one making these websites and creating these jobs and these loans, and they're actually giving people these loans and credit cards, and I'm actually showing you how to have a high chance of getting approved. But you think you can just walk off, go apply and get approved, then don't get approved and say somebody cap. You gotta grow up. You gotta mature your mind, gotta mature your way of thinking, because once you do, you'll see a lot of different things, a lot of different ways, and it'll start to make more sense to you, and you'll start to feel bad because you were making jokes, you were saying something was cap that a lot of people in the world are doing that you aren't doing. Now you're gonna feel ashamed because now you look foolish. Easy as that. All right, so tap in. Make sure y'all come get. First of all, shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Because without y'all, you'll be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime 101 unlimited gems, you want to learn all this good information that can get you this bag. It's 600s, but make sure you tap in soon because prices will be going back to regular prices, 1200. So 50% off right now, 600 cash out or Bitcoin payment. You want to get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live cards, a new age credit repair handbook that will teach you step by step how to clean and repair and build your personal credit, leverage it towards your business credit, how to build a CPN, plus more, all that for $250. Plus, you're going to get the how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to make $50,000 a month. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day. I'm going to introduce you to the dark web, all that. Tap in. I'm going to show you how to really into the world of financial freedom. All right, 600, y'all see them vouch videos. So be the next to learn this sauce and get blessed and get this information so you can learn and teach the next. Easy as that, all right? Unlimited gems, FaceTime 101 is $600. But if you want to get these gems in person, tap into the crypto tour, all right? In state, $4,500. Out of state, $5,500. And you also got to pay for my flight and hotel, all right? So if you come to me, it's going to be $4,500. If I got to come out of state to you, you got to pay for my flight and hotel, and it's $5,500, all right? So do not miss out on that. You're going to get everything that you get in that FaceTime 101 unlimited gems, plus a little bit more, and it's all going to be hands-on. So I'm going to show you hands-on how to do everything. All you got to do is play your role, play your part, and do what you need to do to get your money. Easy as that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Anybody out there looking to get any type of financial services, sites, cards, methods, you name it, tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches, right now. A lot of people tapping in, a lot of people getting rich, all right? So right now on the menu, we got the World Tour T-shirt, one method, one card for $200. For $320, we got the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 virtual cards for $500. We got the 8 instant cash out methods and 2 physical cards. For $600, we got the FaceTime 101 unlimited gems. For $800, we got the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 physical cards, higher limits. All right, so make sure you tapping in. Come and get y'all sauce. Come get these sites. Come get these methods. Come get this good information that's going to help you win, grow, and build. Help you get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, plus more. All right, Wealth and Riches. My Telegram link is in my community post and all my videos in the description. All right, so when y'all see all them links, so my link is in there and in my community post, so you can't get missed out. You can't miss out, all right? Wealth and Riches. Any King Hustle Telegram is a scam. Point blank period, all right? Also, still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen, or women. Let's get it in. Let's build. Let's grow. Got $1 million plus in dollars in funding coming for this production company, and I need people to help me continue to build and grow. Point blank period. Teamwork make the dream work. All right, so any rappers or singers out there, you got a fan base, you got music videos out there, you got views, tap in and come get your chain, come get your watch, come let's make this money. All right, music reviews is $100. Let's see what you got. Also, any models out there, any beautiful younger ladies or older, it don't matter. As long as you're ready to work, as long as you're ready to expand, as long as you're ready to grow. Easy as that. We're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, podcasts, movies, music videos, all type of stuff, right? So a lot of people want to do something, but they just got focused on one thing. You got to give yourself an opportunity to do more things because modeling, rap, all this is one tied in one thing, entertainment. So you gotta give yourself more opportunity. I'm gonna guide and provide you all the information that you need so you can win, so we can win together and, you know, create success together. If you got a bad attitude, don't got a good head on your shoulders, I cannot work with you, all right? Also, any cameraman or women out there, you ready to be a cameraman or woman, you ready to be out here shooting music videos, you ready to be out here traveling, shooting content, tap in, let's go, in surrounding areas. All I need you to do is be able to hold a camera, get good angles, know how to work a camera and the stabilizer. You don't even know how to edit. As long as you know how to do that, we're good to go, all right? So you're in surrounding areas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona. Let's work, let's get to work, let's get this money, all right? So with that being said, make sure y'all tap in. Come get y'all World Tour t-shirts. These are the World Tour t-shirts with the dates on the back, oversized fit, real t-shirts. This ain't no hangs or gilding, real tag, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all how we coming. What's up? Extra small, so make sure y'all tap in. Still doing the giveaway, so miss out. We got that's how they come packaged. We got the Jordans, we still giving away size 10, so anybody still need the white and red cherry 12s, I'm doing the giveaway still, so make sure y'all tapping in. Mixtape dropping soon, was supposed to drop today, but had to go correct some things so it can drop in all the stores, so make sure y'all stay tuned for the mixtape. Back talking music videos coming. Make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on King Hussle X1M, because when I start dropping music and music videos, you better be tuned in. It's fire music anyways. Best music out there in the genre anyway, so make sure y'all tap it in. Make sure y'all really listening, because when I do these giveaways, you're going to have to know what's going on. If you don't, you're going to miss out on some free stuff. So that being said, make sure I can get y'all shirts to get these lessons and get this sauce. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.